In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Protonmail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to start an export, along with a few practical tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, open your browser and head to protonmail.com. This works best on a desktop browser so you can clearly see the full settings layout. Once you're in your inbox, we'll move straight into the settings area where the export option lives. Look to the top right of the screen for the small gear icon. This is your gateway to Proton settings. Click that gear to open the settings panel. You might see a compact, quick access view at first, which is handy for everyday tweaks, but for exporting, we'll step into the full settings page. Next, select All Settings. This opens the complete dashboard, giving you the full list of categories down the left side. It's the easiest way to find the exact controls we need without hunting around different tabs. Now, choose Security and Privacy from the left sidebar. This section groups together important protections like account sessions, two-factor options, and data controls. It's also where Proton places tools related to monitoring your account and handling your data responsibly. Within Security and Privacy, look for the area labeled Account Monitor. Under that section, click Export. This begins the process of creating an export from your account. Depending on your plan and the features available in your region, you may see on-screen guidance or options related to what's being exported. Just keep the page open and let Proton do the preparation. Large accounts can take some time, so a stable internet connection and a bit of patience go a long way. A few tips as this runs: make sure you have enough disk space on your computer before the export completes, since data files can be sizable if you have a lot of messages or attachments. Keep your browser window active until Proton indicates it's done, and avoid clearing downloads or closing the tab mid-process. When your file is ready and saved to your default downloads location, treat it like any sensitive data, store it in a secure folder, consider encrypting the file, and back it up to a trusted location if you plan to keep it long-term. That's it. To recap the path, go to protonmail.com, click the gear icon, open all settings, choose Security and Privacy, then under Account Monitor, click Export. You're now set to start an export confidently and keep your data organized and protected.